Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Tyler, and if you are a returning subscriber, I would like to thank you for watching my videos. And if you are new, consider subscribing below. Give me a thumbs up if you like food, taste test videos, and like story times and stuff like that. But in today's video, I am trying wasabi peas, which I never had before, which I like wasabi. I know it might be a little hot and stuff. I used to eat, it was by Lay's wasabi chips, and it was delicious. And I never had, I want to try. And if you guys remember, I have some more Peeps. I tasted some Peeps. It was cotton candy flavored. And now I got some more Peeps that's cake flavored. And I'm excited about the cake flavor because I like Peeps. Okay, I'm gonna try this first. Ooh, it don't have a resellable thing like a a sandwich bag, that top where you can close it. It don't have nothing like that. It don't have a smell to it, really. Tell you the truth, it's kind of smell like dog food. This is what it looks like. Mm. No. That was nasty. Mm. It didn't have no taste to it. I know it's a bean, but it was gross. It wasn't good. Now we're gonna try wasabi. Like, it didn't have no taste. Let me know in the comments below if you had any other stuff I'm trying. Okay. It kind of smell got a smell to it. It kind of smell like a spinach. That's what it looks like. Oh no, that's not good at all. It tastes, you can't taste the wasabi, really. It's a very strong pea, stale pea taste. It's like, it's stale, but I know it's supposed to be hard. Same with the other one, it was hard, but it was like, it was stale. That's how the texture it was, if that makes sense. Yeah, it's got a it's got a little strong pea flavor to it. Now, the Peeps cake. Now, I know this should be good, because that kind of candy Peeps was excellent. It was delicious. And I guess this is for Easter. I can already smell the cake smell. Soon as I opened it, I got a strong smell of cake. Like, you know, when you're making the cake batter, that's the smell. That's how it smells. Smells good. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see. It's got little blue, like, dots, like, I guess food coloring in it. It's blue, green, pink. Hopefully you can see. Tastes real good. It don't, like, it tastes like cake, but it's not overpowering, like a real strong cake flavor. It's mild, but you can still tell it's cake flavored. It don't taste artificial. It don't taste nothing like that. It tastes delicious. Oh my gosh, the Peeps cake, party cake, tastes delicious. Like when you eat it, it's like melts in your mouth. Like I said, it don't taste artificial. It don't taste nothing like that. And I never seen a cake, like a cake flavored Peeps before, which most people don't like Peeps, but I'm pretty sure if you don't like them, try the cotton candy ones if you can find them, and try the party cake one. I got the Peeps from the Dollar Tree, and I got this from the Dollar Tree and the Dollar Tree, which, if you guys know, I like the Dollar Tree. That's the Dollar Tree. That's my favorite store. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, so let me know if you guys had any of the stuff I tasted today, and let me know if you like Peeps, and if you like, if you ever had the party cake Peeps and the cotton candy one, and if there's other flavors, and if you're like in a different country and you guys got Peeps, let me know what kind of, you know, flavors you guys got, because I know it's different flavors. And that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Remember, subscribe and turn the bell on to get notified every time I post a new video. I'm trying to post weekly. If not weekly, it would be like, if usually I try to post on Tuesdays, but if not, it would be on a Friday. So be part of the family. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with your friends. And if you like food reviews, I'm the channel for you. And I will see you guys next time.